Good day mga kamasa! Today I'll be sharing to you how I made my water ganache. This is good for under fondant icing. So let's get started! I'll be using a chocolate bar. Ito kasi yung nakita kong available sa aking kitchen. Hinati ko ng maliliit para madali siyang malusaw. Kung may budget naman kayo, pwede kayong gumamit ng chocolate bits. Here I use 500 grams of chocolate and 83 grams of hot water. Melt this on a microwave for about 2 to 3 minutes on a medium-high temperature. Repeat the process until chocolate fully melted. Kapag melted na ang ating chocolate, we can now add 83 grams of hot water. Like I told you, 6:1 po ang ratio ng ating chocolate sa water. Meaning, 6 parts of chocolate to 1 part of water. So, kung ang gamit mo 500 grams of chocolate, i-divide mo yan sa 6 part of water, makukuha mo 83 grams. Just continue stirring hanggang sa maging smooth ang ating ganache. If you want to thicken it faster, you can put it on fridge for at least 10 minutes. And also, chilling your cake is optional but it will help the ganache to set faster. Dito, hindi ko na-chilled ang aking cake pero honest review, maganda naman ang naging resulta. Siya nga pala, kung wala kayong microwave, you can use double broiler to melt the chocolate. Ilagay lang ang bowl with chocolate on top of the double broiler with hot water. Patayin na ang apoy kapag nailagay na yung bowl na may chocolate sa ibabaw. If you notice, spreadable ang ating water ganache, maganda po siyang ipampahid. Let's put some melted chocolate sa ibabaw ng cake at sa gilid para sa ating crumb coating. Sa pagbe-bake, kailangan may tiyaga ka. Dahil kapag wala, hindi magiging maganda ang resulta ng iyong ginagawa. Kapag coated na ng chocolate ang buong cake, i-rest natin siya sa ref for about 20 minutes para mag-set ang ating chocolate. After 20 minutes, lagyan ulit ng chocolate ang cake. Then, spread sa gilid at sa ibabaw para magpantay ang kapal ng ating chocolate ganache. Ilagay ulit natin ng 20 minutes sa ref para mag-set ang ating chocolate. After 20 minutes, repeat the process. Fill with chocolate the holes that should be filled with chocolate. Kung hindi ka naman nagmamadali, pwede mong gawin ang paglalagay ng ganas sa umaga. Then, hayaan mo lang siya sa table ng mga ilang oras and makikita mo matigas na ang ating chocolate. Dip the scraper in hot water to smooth the edge of the cake. And if you like my video, please like, subscribe, and share my YouTube channel. Thank you so much in advance. Let us clean our cake board with wet towel for our final look. Oh, mga kamasa, try to use water ganache for your under fondant icing. Just water and chocolate are needed. Cheap ingredients but with good result for your under fondant icing. That's all for today mga kamasa, and I hope you enjoy my video. Thanks for watching!